Hi guys, today we will be preparing delicious idlis using MTR Rava Idli mix. So let's get started. MRP of this 500 gram pack is 140 rupees, but you get this one from Amazon for 121 only. And in this pack we have main ingredient as suji. Other than that we have cashew nuts, chana dal, rai, curry leaves, everything. We don't have to add even salt. Salt is also there. So it's just a simple 3-step process. Take the mix in a big bowl. I took 200 gram of the mix. Now add half measure of the sour curd. Mix it and let it rest for 1 minute. Yes, for 1 minute. And after a minute, add 1 more cup of sour curd and mix it well. Now let it rest for 2 minutes. The batter should be thick but pourable. Here one tip, always keep the greased idli mold ready and steamer also for the boiling water. We don't want to waste any time once the batter is ready. Now pour the prepared batter into the greased mold and fill them about 3/4 full. And place the idli stand inside the steamer. Cover and steam for 12 minutes on medium-high flame and insert a toothpick or a knife, and if it comes out clean, idlis are perfectly done. Allow these idlis to cool slightly before removing from the molds, starting from the ends, and here we have. So this whole pack of 500 grams make about 25 idlis of this size. Pricing a bit higher, but you have amazingly soft and spongy idlis. It tastes good with authentic South Indian flavor. Enjoy your homemade Rava idlis. Overall, a delicious traditional breakfast for you and your family in minutes. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye-bye.